I bought and tested these top cedar siding stains so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After years of dealing with peeling and fading wood stains, I set out to find the best options on the market. If you're looking to preserve the beauty of your cedar siding, stick around as I share my honest experiences with these products. Product number 1, Olympic Elite Semi-Transparent Stain. Atlas Cedar Semi-Transparent Stain. I was really impressed by the richness of the color. The application process was straightforward and the water-based formula made cleanup a breeze. I remember standing back after the first coat and the wood truly came to life, showcasing its natural grain. The advanced penetrating formula made me feel confident that not only was I enhancing the aesthetics, but I was also providing long-lasting protection against the elements. One of the standout features was the 4-season protection package. Living in a climate that swings from hot summers to freezing winters, I appreciated the urethane fortified seal that promises to resist cracking and peeling. After a few months, I noticed that the stain held up well even against heavy rains. So far, I haven't seen any signs of fading, which is a big plus. However, I did notice that while the stain is fantastic, it does require a bit of patience during application. You have to ensure the surface is clean and dry for optimal results, which can be a hassle if you're eager to get the project done. Another downside is the price point. At $47.96 per gallon, it's a bit on the higher end, especially if you have a large area to cover. So why should you consider the Olympic Elite Stain? If you want a product that not only looks great, but also provides exceptional durability, this is a solid choice. The color clarity and protective features are designed to enhance and prolong the beauty of your cedar siding, making your investment worthwhile. Product number 2, Natural Cedar Advanced Stain and Sealer. When I got my hands on the Natural Cedar Advanced Stain and Sealer, I was eager to see how it performed. The first thing I noticed was the professional-grade weather protection it promised. This product is designed to resist harsh environmental factors, and I was curious to put that claim to the test. The application was straightforward, and I appreciated that it didn't have an overpowering odor like some oil-based stains. It went on smoothly, and the transparent finish highlighted the wood grain beautifully. One of the most impressive features was its flexibility. The stain adapts to the thermal expansion and contraction of wood, which means it's less likely to crack or peel over time. After applying it to my outdoor fence, I felt a sense of security knowing that it would withstand the elements. Plus, with coverage between 150 and 250 square feet per gallon, it provided excellent value for larger projects. On the downside, while it performed well, I did find that it took a bit longer to dry than I anticipated. If you're in a hurry to finish your project, you might need to plan for that extra drying time. Additionally, the $59.99 price tag is a bit steep, but considering its durability and protective qualities, it felt justified. In conclusion, if you're looking for a stain that offers exceptional weather resistance and is versatile enough for various wood types, this natural cedar stain is worth considering. Its flexibility and protective features make it an ideal choice for anyone serious about preserving their wood surfaces. Product number 3, Olympic WaterGuard Transparent Wood Stain. Using the Olympic WaterGuard 1-gallon Woodland Cedar Transparent Wood Stain was a game changer for my outdoor projects. The first time I applied it, I was taken aback by how easily it went on and the immediate waterproofing effect it provided. I remember applying it to my deck and watching as the water beaded right off the surface. Talk about protection. The stain is designed for a variety of wood types, which gave me the confidence to use it on my fence and furniture as well. One of the standout features was the scuff guard technology. Living in a busy household, I needed a product that could withstand wear and tear. After several months, I was impressed by how well it held up against foot traffic and occasional spills. Moreover, the stain promises to protect for up to 3 years on decks, which made me feel like I was getting great value for my investment. However, I did find a couple of drawbacks. For one, it requires a little more effort to apply than some other stands. You need to ensure the wood is properly prepared, and the application can be a bit time-consuming. Additionally, while the price at $29.98 is reasonable, if you're covering a large area, the cost can add up. Ultimately, the Olympic WaterGuard is a solid choice if you want a reliable, transparent stain that offers excellent waterproofing and durability. Its ease of application and protective qualities make it a great investment for anyone looking to protect their wood surfaces. Product number 4. Vermont Natural Coatings Polyway Exterior Penetrating Stain caught my attention due to its unique bio-based formula. When I opened the container, I was pleasantly surprised by the rich acorn brown color. It felt different from traditional stains, and I was excited to see how it would perform. The application was smooth and easy, and the 48-hour dry time meant I could get back to enjoying my space without a long wait. What really stood out, though, was the protection it offered. The stain creates a non-toxic, waterproof barrier that protects against moisture and harmful UV rays. I applied it to my garden furniture, and I could instantly see the difference. It not only looked good, but also felt protected against the elements. However, one downside is the price at $89.75 per gallon, which is on the higher side. While I understand that you're paying for a premium product, it might not be feasible for everyone, especially if you have a lot to cover. Additionally, while the stain is durable, it does require a little more careful handling during application compared to others. In summary, if you're looking for a high-quality, eco-friendly stain that delivers both beauty and protection, the Vermont Natural Coatings Polyway is an excellent choice. Its unique formulation makes it a standout option for anyone serious about preserving their outdoor wood surfaces. Product number 5. Vermont Natural Coatings Polyway Stain, Brackish Brown. I was eager to try the Vermont Natural Coatings Polyway Exterior Penetrating Stain in Brackish Brown because of my positive experience with the Acorn Brown variant. The color was just as rich and inviting, and I appreciated the bio-based formula that promised safety and durability. The application process was a breeze, and I found it to be user-friendly even for someone who's not a professional. One of the main benefits I noticed was how well it protects against moisture and UV rays. After applying it to my outdoor furniture, I felt reassured knowing that I had created a waterproof barrier that would keep it looking great for seasons to come. What's more, the easy soap and water cleanup made the entire process hassle-free. On the flip side, the price of $40 for a quart can add up quickly if you have a larger area to cover. Also, while I loved the performance, I found that the product was slightly thicker than others I had used, which required a bit more effort to spread evenly. Overall, if you're looking for a stain that combines eco-friendliness with durability, the Vermont Natural Coatings Polyway and Brackish Brown is a fantastic option. It not only protects your wood, but also enhances its natural beauty, making it well worth the investment. After testing these 5 top stains for cedar siding, I can confidently recommend each for their unique strengths. Whether you prioritize durability, eco-friendliness, or ease of use, there's a perfect match for your needs. Choose wisely and protect your cedar siding for years to come.